Okay, so what do we know? We know that the hello world bit changes, but after that we can't really do much with this program. So what I'd like to do is I'd like to reset the message in the label. So what I can do is there's different events that we can look at. So in this case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this drop-down box, and you'll notice now I've got a list of all the different objects in my current project, in my current form. And in this case, I want the output label. And so if I click on this drop-down box, these are all the different events that are already, sorry, lost for words. These are all the different events that can happen to a label. So perhaps if the user clicks on the label, we can do something. In fact, what I'll do is when I click on the label, we're going to make the label dot, oh, hang on, it's no longer label, it's LBL output dot text equals clicked. And when we hover over it, hang on, that's not the right one, is it? I clicked on the wrong one, sorry. I should be on click, and then that should say clicked. And get rid of that one. And let's say when we hover over the label, we'll clear it. So mouse hover. Alright, so again we will change the output dot text, and we'll set it equal to nothing. We'll set it to an empty string, and that should set it to, you'll see all the text should just disappear. So when we hover over it, the text disappears. Click OK, it says hello world. What happens when we click on it? Oh, haha, you know what? When we click on it, it says clicked, but at the same time we're still hovering over it, so it sets the text back to zero, back to nothing. So maybe we should change that to a double click. Hang on, there's something going on here. Alright, sorry about that. I've forgotten where I was. I think we figured out that because when I was clicking on it and I was still hovering over it at the same time, it wasn't necessarily showing that it was clicked. So I'm going to change the mouse hover to, say, a mouse double click. And so let's, oh, I can't remember what I was doing now. Well, let's play with this and see what happens. Alright, so technically when I double click on it, it should clear the text, and single click should put the word clicked onto the label. So let's see what happens here. Sorry, I know this video is getting long, but I'll get to the point very quickly and let you be on your way. Alright, so single click is clicked, double click clears. Alright, so it's not the best program in the world, but I think the point is you can understand now that you've got different events that you can program for different objects. So I'm hoping that's what you get out of this. Alright, so go on and complete the next exercise, which I think I've written in OneNote. If I haven't, I'm about to do that now. Good luck.